The tamarind tree rises, broad and commanding, its canopy stretching wide beneath the open sky. Its trunk, thick and weathered, twists with the memory of years, while roots grip the earth with quiet force. Every branch reaches outward. But what if this single tree could become something more? Can you create 15 bonsai styles from one tamarind tree? From wild form to guided line, the tamarind is no longer left to chance. It is shaped, refined, reimagined. One tree, many forms, and it begins with order. Straight, unwavering, the tamarind rises with purpose. A single trunk reaching skyward, balanced in every direction. No excess, no deviation. Not straight, but certain. The tamarind bends with quiet intent, its trunk flowing in gentle curves, each turn measured, never random, balanced in motion, free, yet controlled. A tamarind tree stands in the wild, its trunk leaning under time and wind. Not broken, shaped by survival, reaching for light against every force. A tamarind tree clings to the cliff, its trunk flowing downward in a dramatic cascade. Gravity pulls it lower, yet it refuses to fall. Alive, reaching, enduring. In its descent, it reveals a quiet strength shaped by wind, stone, and time. A tamarind tree bends over the edge, its trunk flowing in a gentle semi-cascade. It leans into gravity, yet stays rooted above, balanced between rise and fall. In this quiet tension, it reveals harmony, shaped by wind, time, and restraint. A tamarind tree rises in a slender, elegant line, minimal, wind-shaped, almost solitary. It speaks in silence, a living poem of time and restraint. It rises in quiet balance, its branches fanning like a living broom. In its gentle order, nature speaks of harmony, structure, and calm shaped by time. It bends in an endless wind, its branches swept in one direction. In its motion, it speaks of struggle, resilience, and beauty shaped by unseen force. Two trunks rise from one root, like kin sharing a single breath. In their quiet unity, the tamarind tells a story of bond, balance, and time grown together. From one base, many trunks rise, different voices, one life. The tamarind becomes a quiet unity of strength and time unfolding in many forms. A cluster of tamarind trees stands as one living forest, each trunk whispering its own story. Together they breathe in silence, unity shaped by time, distance, and shared roots. This tree clings to stone, its roots embracing rock like a quiet memory carved by time. Life and earth intertwine here, strength drawn from resistance, beauty born from endurance. In this union, nature writes its most patient story. It rises on exposed roots, lifted like pillars shaped by time. What holds it is not hidden, but revealed: strength, patience, and life standing open to the light. A tamarind stands shaped by time, its weathered form marked by wind and loss. In its scars, life endures, fragile yet unbroken. A fallen tamarind rises as one, many trunks from a single line. What collapsed now grows upward, unity born from renewal. From wild tamarind to refined bonsai, strength becomes form. It stands straight, then flows into gentle curves, nature-shaped, never lost. From a leaning trunk shaped by wind, to a cascade flowing beyond the pot, to roots gripping stone, each tamarind form reveals a different way to endure, to move, to belong. From a single elegant line, the tamarind speaks in silence. It shifts into balanced form, then into a living forest. Many shapes, one spirit shaped by time. From a wild tamarind to a single refined bonsai, then a gallery of living forms, each shape telling its own story. Explore the language of bonsai and see how nature becomes art